ka-budgetarian, we have an exciting episode for today because today we are going to review my MCM bag. Hi mga ka-budgetarian, Ron Ramiro here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I vlog about fashion, shopping, luxury bags and accessories, travel, lifestyle, anything fun. So if any of these interest you, I'm happy to invite you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and give me the thumbs up for more videos like this. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Ramiro5. So are you ready? So let's open. So hopefully, if you have been following me on Instagram, so I'm sure you already have an idea what this bag looks like. But here it is in 3, 2, 1. Yay! So of course, again guys, this is the dust bag. So MCM, a black dust bag. It's very edgy. I really love it. Then of course their dust bag, then their logo. So let's open in 3, 2, 1. Shadan! Yay! It is their MCM Vanity Rockstar Bag. So hopefully I'm getting the name correct. So here it is mga ka-budgetarian. So just to show you a quick look on how it looks like. So this is the front. So this is made of monogram canvas. As you would see, the logo of MCM all over the bag. And this is, I love this one, the metal one. The metal logo. The front, the side, the back, the top. So as you would see, the top, it comes with this top handle. Then of course, I love the gold hardware. So this one, this is where we can actually attach the strap, where I'm going to show you later. Then of course, the bottom part of the bag, which doesn't come with the feet. So let's open this guys, because honestly, I forgot already like what's inside, because normally I would be putting the care cards and everything inside the bag. So this one guys, so you would see the zipper. I love the zipper pull of my MCM Rockstar bag. So it has 2 zipper. You know guys how much I love vanity bags. So hopefully you've seen my other videos. I'm going to link it up here. My GIVENCHY Antigona review, I'm going to link it up here, and also put it on the description box so you can also check that one. So I love the gold hardware as mentioned earlier. In the zipper of this one, honestly guys, as you would notice, it zips and unzips like it's very smooth. It doesn't have any issue, so you could easily, you know, put things in and out of your bag without any problem. So let's open it in 3, 2, 1. Yay! There. So let's start first mga ka-budgetarian with the care cards. There. So normally with the care cards, like what I mentioned with the previous unboxing video that I do, I always include or put it or safely stash it just inside the bag, so that in the future I won't have any problems with this one. So this one mga ka-budgetarians, I didn't purchase here in the Philippines because yes, we do have a 1MCM store. It's located outside Mall of Asia Arena in Pasay. I think it's our duty free. So I was actually surprised that we have MCM. Hopefully we could go back there and see whether they've added more stores, but definitely we have this one. So I got this one. So here is the receipt guys. You will see the writing. Can you see? There, it's in Chinese because I got this one January 16, 2017. Oh my god, so that's how many years? So that's 2018, 19, 20. So this is the fourth year of my vanity bag. Happy 4 years! Yay! So I got this one in our first trip to China. So we went to Beijing, and I got this one on the actual MCM store, and the price was 3,500 yuan. So I'm going to put the conversion here of how much this bag is. So here is the care card. So there, comes also in the black envelope, and here's the front. I love it. It also comes with the logo. And oh, this one, guys, I'm actually surprised. This is the one bag that I got that has I'm not really sure with other luxury bags, but as you can see, this one, is it focusing there? It comes with 1 year limited warranty from the time of purchase. I'm not really sure, but I didn't use it. So at the back of that warranty card, so here it is. There, all the things like style number, the store, date of purchase, and the BP number. Although I'm not really sure what the BP number is. And then there is a how to care for your item. There, love it. And there is a small booklet. So the booklet I really love, because I think the only luxury bags that I know that comes with their very own booklet are the ones from Chanel and Hermes. Even Louis Vuitton doesn't have any of these booklets. So I love that MCM has this when I purchase. Hopefully in the future they would still have it on the future bags that I have. So inside, I haven't shown you what's inside yet. So I'm not really sure. I'll try to put the dimensions of the MCM bag, but it looks small, guys, but definitely you could put a lot. So the outside part of the MCM Vanity Rockstar Bag is coated canvas, and hopefully, if I'm not mistaken, the lining of this one is made of genuine leather. I love the handle. It's made of genuine leather, and you would see, so the gold hardware, the logo of MCM is also engraved. So let me just attach it to the bag so I could show you some mod shots on how it looks like when worn. Although the shoulder strap of this one is a little bit long compared to my other shoulder strap. So this one, so here it is. Let me just stand up. So I stand at 5'6". So as a shoulder bag, it looks like this. As a crossbody bag, so crossbody, I don't have any issue. My waistline is over here, so it falls nicely on my waistline. So as like what I mentioned earlier, guys, you don't have any issues, like for example opening or closing, because the zipper opens very smoothly. Others actually would have an issue, like for example they would open, then it would spill like that. So here it is, when open, it doesn't like go overboard and there's things would spill over. But just to be on the safe side, whenever I'm opening it, I'm holding here at the bottom part, then I'm going to close it or open it there. Then of course, the third style that you could carry this one is carrying it as a handbag. So let me just post a short video here so that a close-up video of the MCM Vanity Rockstar bag, so you could see how beautiful and how gorgeous this bag is. So now mga ka-budgetarian, I would like to discuss the reasons why I got this bag. Because I'm sure with bag collectors, if you are watching or if you are a bag collector like me, there are actually, of all the YouTube videos that I've watched showing all their bag collections, I haven't seen any influencer or any YouTuber that mentioned that they have an MCM bag. So I feel the MCM bag is one of the understated, or is it understated or underrated luxury bag. But for me, because me personally, whenever I am purchasing a luxury bag, I would, number one, the style would definitely comes first, so regardless of the brand. So this one, a luxury bag, with a great style, And what really drove me insane to be purchasing this one is when I saw my queen, my idol Rihanna. So let me post her photo here carrying the Vanity Rockstar bag by MCM. I was like OMG, when I saw her, I knew immediately I wanted this bag, which I'm very, very happy I got this one on our travel with Beijing. Also, I think what I love about this bag, the reason why I would never ever part with this bag is where I got this. Like, it's like there's a huge history, you know, a lot of things to talk about when, you know, discussing about my MCM bag, because normally when we travel, at least like pre-pandemic, like pre-COVID, we would normally travel at least once on a different country aside from outside Philippines. And normally, like, everyone else would be getting souvenirs of what, you know, what would remind them of the country they visit. So for me, the souvenir that I would be getting on that specific country is a luxury bag. So I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this may be the second or the third bag that I got outside Philippines. So I love that I got this one from Beijing, China, because that was our first time there. And during our stay at Beijing, which I fell in love with the country because of the weather, the good food, and good people. So I'm really, really happy I got this one because you know, it's structured, it would last long, and definitely with its long life, I would, you know, by just looking at this one, it would remind me of the good times that I spent, you know, like maybe a week or so at Beijing, China. Alright, let me just show you a little bit of comparison, the size comparison with my vintage Louis Vuitton bag. So this is the Louis Vuitton bag, a medium-sized bag, and this is the MCM bag. Both are black. This is in epi leather. This is in coated canvas. So this is the front. This is the front side. And then both of, you know, sideways. Then let me put the top. They both have silver or no, gold hardwares, gold zippers. And then this is the bottom part of the bag. So obviously this bag is, of course, a little bit bigger compared to my MCM Vanity Rockstar bag. But I would like to show you what fits inside the bag. So maybe this is not a sponsored post by MCM, but definitely I am highly recommending this to you guys if you would like to purchase this Vanity Rockstar bag, because I believe I've checked on other websites like Luisa Vieroma and Italis.com. This is still available, although yes, I purchased it. One moment, guys. Sorry. So when I checked this one on the online store, it's still available, and it comes in different colors. And what I love, maybe if I'm going to buy another of the Vanity Rockstar bag, it would definitely be in different color. It comes, of course, in the natural camel color. So let me put the photo here. And it also comes in different psychedelic colors, which the ones that I love is the neon green. So photo here again, and the neon pink. So hopefully I could get photos of them there. So they look very, they look so beautiful, they look structured, and definitely I feel this is an edgy bag that, you know, would suit my style. So mga ka-budgetarian, let's do what fits inside so that, you know, I could convince you that this is still a good purchase. Yes, it's an MCM bag. It's not, you know, a bag like Louis Vuitton, but again, I would highly recommend, because this one, the price point of this one is not as high as Louis Vuitton. That's why whenever I'm carrying this one, yes, I still do take care of this bag. Yes, it's not genuine leather, but you know, whenever I'm carrying this bag, like any other bags, I would still take care of it. But it's not as, you know, wear it to the point that I would need to baby this bag. Like for example, whenever I'm carrying, you know, a really expensive bag like my GIVENCHY Antigona, I really do baby that one because of the material. So this one, you could bring it, be proud of this one, then you could just, you know, carry it and not really worry about this bag. So now what can we fit inside the bag? So let's open up the zipper. So I love it when you open up the zipper because I believe, I'm not really sure, I've seen a couple of reviews. They said this, there is another version of this one, maybe the older or the original version. It comes with like a leather thingy that is attaching from here to the side here, so it would not open like this as much, you know, so they can open like up to this one. So I'm glad I got this version. So inside, guys, so I'm not sure if I've shown you, so it has one pocket, so it is garterized. So for example, you could keep your credit cards or cash, it would not fall out. So definitely, again, whenever I'm buying luxury bag, it should fit my big phone. So here's an iPhone 6s Plus there, so no worry. Then of course, you need to bring cash and credit card. So this is my YSL card holder. So is it focusing? So there. So I could put in my credit cards inside and my cash, so no problem. Then of course, for retouching my band makeup, of course I need my BB cream. Put it inside. Lip color or lip tint by Vice Cosmetics. There, no problem. So guys, these are the essentials that I normally carry whenever I go out. So of course, my lip gloss. Whenever I drink or eat, I would normally retouch those. Oil control film or oil blotter film, very, very important because my skin is very, very oily. Then of course, couple of tissue. Here in the Philippines, it's normally very, very hot or humid all day. So I carry my foldable, you know, fan. There, what else? Of course, a sanitizer. So maybe, this is a perfume by Calvin Klein. So normally, I don't bring perfume inside my bags because I'm afraid that it would spill over. It would damage the bag. So like for example, you have a small bottle of sanitizer, you could still put it in because as you can see, guys, can you see there are a lot of space and it would close without any issue. There, yay! There, so mga kabudgetarian, how do you like our bag review of my beautiful MCM Vanity Rockstar bag? So I hope that I was able to introduce a new luxury. It's not actually new, but you know, with like what I've mentioned earlier, I feel that this is an underrated bag that is not being, you know, underrated and underappreciated. But for me, I love the brand MCM and I don't have any issues purchasing another bag from them. Promise, guys, just do check their website and their Instagram account. Their bags are really, really, you know, I love their new designs. I love the material. As you can see with the care cards that it comes with, plus with the warranty, they do really back, you know, back their design. That's why I really, really love MCM. So guys, comment below, for example, if you are happy with, you know, if you have an MCM bag or an MCM small leather goods, just comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts from you guys. Alright, so before we end this vlog episode, mga kabudgetarian, I would like to say thank you to Sacred and Sasha Vlogs there. I'm going to thank you for leaving this wonderful comment, liking our video, and also subscribing. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you! Mga kabudgetarian, so again, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, and give me the thumbs up for more videos like this. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Ramira5 so that you would get daily updates from me. Again, mga kabudgetarian, I hope you enjoyed our vlog episode for today. Super thank you for staying with me until the very end. And please do stay safe and healthy. I will see you guys on our next vlog episode. Bye!